Good morning, student. Today I am going to take one more question for same topic, adjustment of capital on the basis of old partner, and the question number is 79. Okay, beta, 79. And in the next class we are taking the one next topic. Before that, today we are going to start this question 79, question number 79. Okay. Again, I like to repeat the main things which we can take in mind on the time of solving the question of this topic. First, making the revaluation, then capital account, then take the capital balance of old partner, and on the basis of old partner capital we are going to calculate the capital of new partner. Then we are going to start the question. P and Q are the partners. His profit sharing ratio is 3:1. Okay. Then P and Q are the partner, 3:1. Okay, beta. His profit sharing ratio is 3:1. Are admit in the partnership, and then profit sharing ratio change 2:1:1. Okay, beta. Change. P and Q balance sheet is given. Capital creditor is given 30,000. Profit and loss 60,000. Capital of P 3,50,000 and Q 170. Bank 15,000. Debtor 60,000. Stock 150. Prepaid expense 20,000. Plant and machinery 1,40,000 and premises is the 2,70,000. Then go for the next part of stock. Now, no need to calculate the new profit sharing ratio here. New profit sharing ratio already given. Then we are going to calculate the sacrificing ratio or gaining ratio. So for P, new minus old ratio. New is 2/4 minus 3/4. Okay, beta. Then 2 minus 3, 1/4. It means P is there and P will sacrifice. Okay, because this amount is coming in minus. Its amount is coming minus sacrifice. P sacrifice, and go for the Q. 1/4 minus 1/4 is equal to 0. It means not sacrifice, not gaining. Q. Only P sacrifice. It means whole the goodwill amount is transferred to the P. Then he is not coming with the cash. The entry is R current account debit to P capital, and goodwill is 20,000. That is given in the question, beta. Okay, just see. One, two, three, four, fifth. Our share of goodwill valued 20,000, not taken in cash. Okay. Now we are going to make the revaluation account. Okay, revaluation account. Start solving. Part of the stock which have been included in the cost of rupees 8,000 have been developed, but we could take only rupees 2,000. 8,000 the cost. The stock of 8,000 badly damaged, but we can receive 2,000. It means our loss only to stock. 8,000 minus 2,000. It means our loss only 6,000. Beta. Okay, clear? Next, a bill of 7,000. Electricity charge has been not recorded in this. So then liability to bill 7,000. Okay, next plant and machinery was found overvalued by 20,000. By 20,000, plant and machinery. Then by 20,000. It means the value of plant and machinery is 140. The 20,000 more, 20,000 less here, then plant and machinery loss. $20,000. Okay? Clear? More value is given in book. 20,000 more given. The right thing is what? Less. Then less than 20,000 loss. Next. Premises are premises 3 lakh. Premises value is new value is 3 lakh and old value 2,70,000. Then difference is 30. That is increase. 30,000 increase beta. So we are showing 30,000. Okay, clear? And then prepaid expense is to be brought down to 40%. New value up to 40%. And the value is 20,000. 40% of 20,000 is 8,000. So new value is 8,000. Then less 12,000 is there. So 12,000. Prepaid expense. Okay, beta? That prepaid expense 12,000. Okay? Next, R is capital to the proportion of this level in the cash. $20,000, 20,000, or 25,000. Sorry, it's 275 beta. Then 25,000. Okay. 0, 0, 0. 6, 13 to 5, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Then 45,000 by loss 20,000 P capital and Q capital 3:1 15,000 and 5,000. Okay beta? Clear? Up to this is clear or not? Clear na beta? Up to this is clear? It's a revaluation account. Clear? Now I am going to rub this revaluation account and then we are going to make the capital account beta. Okay? Okay. Capital account P, Q and R start with the buy balance BD and capital amount of 3,50,000 and 2,70,000. 3,50,000, 2,70,000. Then buy cash not given, that will we are going to calculate. Then buy R current account in P 20,000. Then loss is there to revaluation 15,000 and 5,000. Okay beta? Any other entry is there? No entry. Then see in liability side, just see liability side profit and loss is given. Liability side profit and loss is given. Then buy PL and amount of profit and loss is 60,000. Just divide into 3 is to 2. 60,000, 4. 45,000 and 15,000. Okay, beta? 45,000 and 15,000. Clear? Then anything else, beta? Just see any type of reserve, surplus, PL, loss, profit, anything? Clear? Now go to calculate the capital of new partner. 2,85,000. This side 0005 and 4,15,000. Then 4,15,000. 2,85,000. Then 2 balance CD 4 lakh rupees, 2,80,000. Now going to calculate the new partner capital for 1 by 4. 1 minus 1 by 4 is the share of new partner. 3 upon 4. For 3 upon 4, total capital is 4 lakh plus 2,80,000 beta. Okay. Then for 1 upon 4 into 6,80,000 into 4 upon 3. Cut this. Machinery has found overvalued 20%. Premises are being goodwill, not in cash, are being capital prepared the share of profit in the firm. Okay. What beta? It's a 230. This amount is wrong. This amount is 220. It's a 220 beta. I entered wrong amount, not seeing clear. It is 35 and this amount is 20. Then 20, here also 20. Then the amount is 6 lakh. 20,000 because $250 and this, then it's a 35, 35. Okay, beta, 35. Then change this amount 35, and then it's a 3. Okay, 63. It means cut this. 2-1. Okay, beta. Wrong amount, actually wrong amount entered here in the capital. The amount is 220, but I have entered 270. So this wrong is coming. 270, 220. Then our capital is 210. Okay, beta. Then write here 2,10,000. Clear? Taking the balancing amount 235, 230 and 4 lakh. Here again 2,10,000, 2,10,000. Okay, clear by this? First 1 minus new partner ratio, then remaining ratio is 3:4, then 3:4. For the 3:4 total amount is this. For 1:4, 1:4 into 6,30,000 into 4 upon 3, 2,10,000. Okay, clear? Now we are going to make the balance sheet, beta. Okay, see it again. If any problem is there, tell about in comment. Okay, beta. Tell me in comment if any type of problem is seeing. Clear about this? This amount is coming from where? It's a balance. Cash we are going to calculate. Current for this entry. PL that is given liability side. Okay. Now I am going to just rough up to that how much space I needed and other capital remain here. Just see. Okay. Then I am going to make the balance sheet. First capital PQR and capital is P, 4 lakh, Q, 230, R, 210. Okay beta, 4, 8, 840. Okay, and anything else that is given in liability side? Just see. 30,000 creditor only. 30,000 creditor. $30,000 bill. Bill amount is I think 7,000. Let's see. Bill amount is okay. This side is finished. Nothing else. 0007 78 8,77,000. Here again cash. Okay. And cash amount is 15,000. Cash or bank 15,000 and 2,10,000 because proportion is profit. This capital proportion is profit, share of profit in the firm. Okay. Then next debtor. Nothing is given about the debtor of provision or anything else. So directly take the debtor 60,000. Okay, next prepaid expense only 12,000, only 8,000. 12,000 less, so only 8,000. Stock. Your total stock is 1,50,000 and 6,000 less. 1,50,000, 6,000 less, 1,44,000. Then plant and machinery. Plant and machinery value is 1,40,000, 20,000 less, 1,20,000. Then premises 3 lakh. Okay, and 2 lakh 25,000. just add 0 0 0 8 5 3 13 4 7 1 remain 2 4 2 10 1,20,000 8,000 and 7 20,000 is C's capital, C's current account. Just total is this 2 lakh, 3 lakh, 4 lakh, 4 and 3, 7 lakh, 8 lakh, 20,000, 40,000 and 48,000. Okay. Then 20,000 premises is here. Anything else? Debtor 44. Prepaid expense 12. 112, 120 and 3 lakh. And his current account are current account 20,000, 2 lakh, 3 lakh, 4 lakh, 4 3 7 lakh, 8 lakh, 20 20 20 60,000, 73,000 and 477,000. 8,77,000. Okay? Clear or not? Clear, beta? How we solve the question and balance it? Only 21,000, 2,10,000 is coming in cash, beta. So only add 2,10,000. This amount is in current amount, so we are putting here current. Okay, beta? On the basis of we are putting here current. Clear? 140, 144 because 6,000 less. Stock 120 because 20,000 less. 3 lakh because increase. This side liability, creditor and bill. Okay? Clear? See it very carefully. See the video. Any problem you are facing, to just ask me in comment or by call. Okay, beta? Okay. Thank you.